How to import spreadsheet data into base in Airtable. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can import spreadsheet data into base in Airtable. So the first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you're logged in, select the base you'd like to work with. Now once you've selected the base and you're on this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you can see the different views available. You can see the different things you can create. And they include grids, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, form, etc. And the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see table 1 or the whatever name you give your table. Alright. Once you can see this, just click on the drop down arrow. Once you click on the drop down arrow, in the box displayed, you can see the first option, which is import data. So once you can see this, just go ahead and click on Microsoft Excel. Now once you click on Microsoft Excel, the page would load. First of all, let's try it out again. Microsoft Excel. So it's loading. Now once it has loaded, you can now go ahead and locate the files. Alright, by clicking on browse files. Now clicking on browse files, you would see you'll be redirected to your Microsoft Excel account, and or you'll be redirected to your devices files, where you can now go ahead and locate the spreadsheet that you'd like to import. Now you have to locate where it's located, either in downloads or documents. And then once you've located the spreadsheet, copy it, click on open, and once you click on open, the spreadsheet data would be pasted on this particular file and on this particular page, and from there you can go ahead and import it into your account. So this is how you can import spreadsheet data into base in Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.